Most people join Freecash or KashKick, expecting easy money, then quickly realize the payout experience is very different depending on the platform. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is wasting time on the wrong app for your earning style. Here's the truth no one tells you. Both platforms can pay real money in 2026, but one usually works better for faster payouts, while the other can sometimes offer more stable rewards. In this video, I'll compare Freecash versus KashKick step by step, including payouts, earning speed, offer quality, withdrawal options, and which platform is actually better for beginners. Let's start right away. First, let's talk about earning potential. Freecash is heavily focused on offer walls, gaming tasks, surveys, and promotional rewards. Users often earn through apps, game levels, sign-ups, and special events. KashKick is more focused on surveys and selected partner offers, although it also includes gaming tasks. Now here's where it gets interesting. Freecash usually feels faster at the beginning. For example, Jake completed a few gaming offers and surveys on Freecash and reached his first withdrawal faster than expected, because the platform often has low minimum cash-out requirements. KashKick can still pay well, but some offers take longer to verify before becoming withdrawable. This is where most people fail. They assume higher advertised rewards automatically mean faster money. But here's the problem. Some high-paying offers on both platforms require multiple days of gameplay or advertiser confirmation before rewards clear. So speed matters just as much as payout amount. Now let's compare withdrawal methods. Freecash offers multiple payout options including PayPal, crypto, gift cards, and other digital rewards. That flexibility is one reason many users prefer it. KashKick mainly focuses on PayPal payouts. For some users, that simplicity is fine, but others prefer having more withdrawal choices. In a minute, I'll show you which platform usually works better for beginners. First, let's talk about pending rewards. On KashKick, some rewards may stay pending longer because advertiser approvals can take time. Freecash also has pending rewards, but many users report quicker access to smaller withdrawals. For example, Alex earned smaller but faster payouts on Freecash, while John earned larger rewards occasionally on KashKick, but waited longer for verification. Now here's another important difference. Freecash tends to feel more gamified with streak bonuses, leaderboards, and reward systems that encourage daily activity. KashKick feels more straightforward and simple. So which one pays out more overall? If your goal is faster withdrawals, more payout flexibility, and gaming offers, Freecash usually has the advantage. If you prefer a simpler platform with survey-focused earning and straightforward PayPal cash-outs, KashKick can still work well. But this is where it gets interesting again. Your actual earnings depend more on consistency and offer selection than the platform itself. Users who carefully follow instructions, avoid VPNs, and focus on high-value tasks almost always perform better. So to recap, Freecash usually offers faster and more flexible payouts, while KashKick can provide solid rewards with a simpler system. Both can work in 2026 if used correctly. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which platform has paid you more so far. And if you want more updated earning app comparisons for 2026, check out the next video on your screen.